YouTube. Anyway, today's gonna be like a Father's Day make a card with me / like DIY kind of sort of gift idea. So what you're gonna need is crayons, markers, pens, pencils, stickers, whatever you have in your house. You can also use an envelope. The envelope is optional. So what you're gonna first need to do is, if you want to use an envelope, you're gonna fold up your paper that you're gonna use to put in the envelope to the size of the envelope. So you pick out what pieces of paper you want. So you can also fold how you want it to fit in the envelope, or you can cut it. If you would rather cut it so you know it will fit, you can cut it in half to have a better, to make sure it will fit. Be careful when you use scissors to cut it in half. You can always trim it up again if you don't like how the shape looks that you got. It wasn't very straight or whatever, or like if you wanted a little bit of a different shape, then you can fold it in half to fit in an envelope, or trim it if it needs to be trimmed a little bit more. I think this would need to be trimmed a little bit more to fit in the envelope, since I would like to fit in the envelope. I'm going to trim it up just a little bit, or you can always fold it up if you a few times if you don't want to do that. So now it should fit in the envelope, so you just check and make sure it does or doesn't fit in the envelope. You can just check the envelope that you have. So this looks like it needs trimmed up again, and then you're just, that should fit in the envelope now since I trimmed it, or you can just fold up 1 or 2 pieces of paper and put them in there. That fits the envelope, so just trim it up. And then I'm going to decorate the envelope for mine, so I'm going to put, you want to take the paper out if you do, that way in case the little marker that you put through or whatever. And you can decorate the envelope. So I'm going to add some stickers. Subscribe if you're watching this. So I'm going to add some stickers I think my dad would like to this envelope once I find them. I think he might like these paw print stickers. I'm just going to put 2. Then I think I'm going to add a design with some blue markers. Subscribe if you like these sort of DIY videos. Okay, so I think the envelope's good. Then I might add another sticker. Then now we're going to make the card. So we're going to put whatever you want. I think I'm just going to put, and then I might add some smiley faces. Make sure to subscribe if you like this sort of videos. I'm going to add some stars. And you can make however you want the card. And then you open it, and then you can draw something inside. Like, what should we draw? We could draw I don't know. Or color, make something up, I don't know. You can draw a snowman, smiley face, some hearts, some stars. Let's draw some stars. Put I love you, Dad. Draw some smiley faces. I'm going to switch some colors. Then once you're finished with that, I'm going to add, or you can add some more stickers. I'm going to add some stickers. I think some tie-dye stickers. These are from the Dollar Tree, and all the stickers I think that are in this video are from the Dollar Tree. So you want to know where these are from. So be careful if you do take these off. Put these on here. And then I'm taking this other one off. Take them off, because sometimes they don't get to come off exactly. And then I think I'm gonna add a smiley face or something around here. Okay, so anyways, make sure you like and subscribe down below if you made it this far. There should be a red subscribe button, and a thumbs up is how you like it. So then whenever you get done, I think I'm gonna draw like something on the back. I don't know what. Maybe draw a car. That's what I'm gonna do. A car as best as I can. So with this pen, it's a donut pen. That's from the Dollar Tree. Not from the Dollar Tree. It's actually from Dollar General. I meant to say. Yeah, so I'm gonna draw like a race car on the back or a car or something. This is from Dollar General. This pen that I'm using right now. So you can draw like a car on the back or something. So there you go. There's a car. It's not very good. Then you can color it in wherever I put the crayons. Or I'm gonna add some superhero stickers. That's actually what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add maybe some superhero stickers. How about maybe add one of these? How about this little Wonder Woman sticker on the back? Okay, so anyways, now once you're done with that, you're just gonna put it in an envelope. There you go. You have a DIY card in an envelope, and then you can like the envelope or just put a sticker on the back of it. So anyways, thanks for watching. Go ahead and like and subscribe down below. Red button for subscribe. Make sure you subscribe if you made it this far. You might as well. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a great day. See ya.